Hi Mutual, today on Sesame I'm going to show you how to make a 5-minute egg dish called Niratama. Start by cracking 3 eggs into a bowl and giving them a quick whisk to break up the yolks. Next we're going to flavour them with half teaspoon of oyster sauce, quarter teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder, quarter teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of sugar, and a pinch of ground black pepper. Whisk once more and then set the bowl by the stove for later. Next, heat up a wok on high and add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Once it gets hot, add 50 grams of garlic chives. I just cut them with kitchen scissors to save time. Stir fry them for 30 seconds to help them release their flavor. In Japanese, garlic chives are called nira and eggs are tamago, which is how the dish gets the name. After 30 seconds are up, transfer them to a bowl of eggs and return the wok to the heat. Add another tablespoon of oil and give the eggs another mix before pouring them into the wok. Scramble them to your preferred doneness. The tip to perfectly fluffy scrambled eggs is to take them off the heat before they're completely cooked, as they will continue to cook in the residual heat. Okay, this looks good, so let's take it off the heat and serve. Finish the dish with a drizzle of sesame oil and a sprinkle of Japanese chili pepper called shichimi togarashi. You can serve this on its own as a side or even as a rice topping for donburi. And great news, I've launched a free mobile app that makes following along with my recipes even easier. It's the perfect kitchen companion after watching my videos. You can access step-by-step instructions right on your phone while you cook. The download link is in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more about this recipe, you can find the written version on my blog. The link is on the screen now. You can also find more similar recipe videos in my Easy Japanese Recipe playlist on the screen. Thank you again, and I hope to see you in the next one.